We've been working in the mental health and wellbeing space for a number of years now. We picked up the work of Dr. Hilary Bennett and we looked at the CEO Guide to Mental Health and Wellbeing. And what was useful about that particular tool is that it identifies these 4 key areas that you need to work within to create a really robust strategy. And obviously her guidance to employers is a good strategy is you're playing every part of the field. Dr. Bennett's work indicated that organisations in New Zealand over-index in the foster, support and reclaim spaces, and they're the spaces that are about supporting the individual and fixing the individual. And in New Zealand we under-index in the protect space. And it's the protect space which is about the organisation, the systems, the policies, the procedures, and critically the work that we ask our people to do. We wanted to go deeper into that space to really understand what was happening in the work that was impacting our people, both from the perspective of elements that could harm our people and the elements that were protecting our people's mental health and wellbeing as well. So that is my entry into the Thriving in Manufacturing program. The project is about identifying the risks to employees' mental health and wellbeing. That then enables the organisation to design or redesign work to enable their employees to thrive.